Today we will be discussing the 10 best affiliate programs you can join in 2022. Affiliate marketing can be exceptionally valuable for brands, allowing them to improve lead generation, boost brand awareness, and inspire loyalty. So, it's no surprise that virtually every company is now offering some form of an affiliate program that you can join. Number 1 is Amazon Associates, the most versatile product selection you can choose from. Amazon Associates is perhaps the most famous affiliate program there is. Chances are good that you've come across hundreds of Amazon affiliates in the last few days alone while browsing the net. Amazon is a company that's taken affiliate marketing to a whole new level. You can choose to promote any product that's available in its e-commerce store: food, clothing, accessories, weird home decor, you name it. Whatever your niche and audience, you'll easily find excellent products to promote. Number 2 is Awin, the easiest to use in our opinion. Awin is an affiliate network that's quickly gaining traction. It doesn't have such a vast product offer as Amazon, but it still has a notable array of categories that most influencers, bloggers, and site owners will find suitable for their audiences. The categories include finance and insurance, retail, telecommunications, and travel. This platform has over 200,000 publishers and 16,500 affiliate marketers, so you'll find it easy to fit right in. Number 3 is Commission Junction, which has the longest cookie lifetime. Commission Junction, or CJ, is one of the oldest affiliate networks in existence, being in the business for over 20 years. It boasts thousands of clients worldwide, so you'll have no trouble finding a brand that suits your niche. It's easy to sign up and start partnering with your favorite brands, even if you're a complete beginner. The only issue with CJ's affiliate program is that each brand has its own unique requirements for marketers. You'll need to ensure that you meet the requirements of each brand that you want to collaborate with, which can get complicated. Number 4 is ClickBank, which in most cases has the highest commission rates. Another excellent network with years of experience is ClickBank. It boasts over 6 million clients worldwide and is renowned as one of the most generous networks available. Depending on the brand that you partner with, along with your reach and overall performance, you could earn as much as a 90% commission on the sales that you help generate. You'll rarely need to get pre-approved by your chosen brand before you can start using their affiliate links. You could immediately gain access to marketing materials, brand logos, pre-sale pages, and more, meaning your job will be significantly easier. Number 5 is FlexOffers, which is the best for experienced publishers. FlexOffers is a relatively small network, boasting about 12,000 affiliate programs and 500 advertisers, but this company's only getting started. Some of the brand categories on the platform include education, entertainment, automotive businesses, sports, even legal services, so you can easily find one that suits your niche. To get started on FlexOffers, you'll need to have some affiliate experience. You'll also need a well-designed website with high monthly traffic. Otherwise, you won't be able to find brands to work with you. However, you could join FlexOffers' sub-affiliate program instead. You would use FlexOffers' affiliate link, then split your commissions with the company. Number 6 is Impact, who has what we consider the simplest sign-up process. Impact is often regarded as the best affiliate network for beginners. It has a well-designed user interface that gives you clear insight into your performance and key metrics. The sign-up process is quick and easy, with most brands accepting your partnership quickly. Impact support teams are responsive, and its tutorial articles will tell you everything that you need to know to get started. Number 7 is Rakuten Advertising, which we think is the best for building relationships with merchants. Rakuten Advertising works with thousands of brands and marketers around the globe. It has a vast network of businesses you can collaborate with, regardless of your unique niche. It's beginner-friendly and offers competitive compensation that's based on your performance. You'll receive your own account manager who will help you to get started and offer support anytime that you need it. However, Rakuten's approval rates leave something to be desired. Even though it's designed as a beginner-friendly network, it has strict requirements for newcomers, so you'll need to have a well-established online presence before you can start working with their affiliate program. Number 8 is ShareASale. They provide the best for timely payments to their affiliates. ShareASale is part of the Awin network, offering many of the same benefits as its parent company. It has thousands of brands and marketers and offers innovative solutions to connect them with each other. You'll enjoy a seamless application process that's fully beginner-friendly. You'll get competitive rates, on-time payments, and responsive support that's always there to help. Most importantly, you'll have full access to your performance metrics, conversion rates, average performance, and earnings. Number 9 is Skimlinks, the best for newcomers to this marketplace. The Skimlinks affiliate network is among the largest, with more than 24,000 brands using it. You can be as nitpicky about your affiliates as you'd like, choosing only the companies that truly resonate with you. You'll receive a link creation tool that automatically generates ready-made affiliate links that you can track. Additionally, you'll find innovative ways to make use of all of the user-generated content on your site to start monetizing your forums. Unfortunately, there's a downfall to Skimlinks. The company charges 25% on your commissions and has some problems with timely payments. Keep this in mind when applying for the program. Number 10 is VigLink, with the most advanced features. VigLink or Sovereign is a fan-favorite affiliate network. It has intuitive automation tools that enable seamless affiliate link creation. You won't have to create or organize your affiliate links at all. Add the VigLink code to your website, and all will be taken care of for you. The tool will go through your site looking for names, locations, keywords, and key phrases, then automatically add your unique affiliate link where appropriate. The network's easy to join, easy to use, and you'll easily find your favorite brands, products, and services. If you want to learn how to start and grow a profitable affiliate marketing business online, visit the link below the video.